Welcome to this beginner-friendly Python course. This series is designed to help you learn Python step by step, from the absolute basics to building your own projects. Today is our video on the introduction to Python and setup on VS Code. So today we'll learn what is programming, what is Python, and why is Python so popular. And what about programming? Programming is simply giving instructions to a computer so it can perform tasks for you. Just like we follow recipes to cook food, computers follow programs to complete tasks like showing a website, calculating results, and even flying a drone. In this case, we are the instructor for the computer. So we use programming language to instruct computer. But like high-level language like Python, JavaScript, Java, or C, C++, it does not directly take command from this programming language. We have to compile this using compiler, and then the computer understand the low-level language, because computer understand the low-level language, and we are writing the program on high-level language. To convert this, we need compiler. I think it's clear for you. Okay, now see, what is Python? Programming language, which is a high-level language, and it is very easy to learn and read and very much beginner-friendly. There's a lot of open sources out there with Python. You can learn it from anywhere and everything is free. You can also do object-oriented programming, and this guy who was the inventor of Python. Why is Python so popular? Okay. First thing is, it's easy to learn and read. Let's compare between Python and Java. Here are two examples. We just printed hello world. In Python, we just print only one line, but in Java, we have to write couples of lines. Plus, in case of Python, it's very clear and simple, and anybody can understand this. But in case of Java, it looks complex, isn't it? Let's see another example. Here, we have identified which one is even number and which one is odd number. So in this case, you can see in case of Python, this is very simple, only 5 lines needed and very neat and clean code. But in case of Java, you can see this looks scary, isn't it? If you are a beginner, it's really tough for you to learn this type of tough languages. So it's a very better choice to start with Python. Versatility, yes. Python has a lot of opportunities. You can do web development, artificial intelligence, automation, game development, machine learning, data science, and all of things. Python is also known for its libraries and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Flux, Django, Pandas, OpenCV, NumPy, and Scikit-learn. And where your interest goes on, you can go on that path, and you have a lot of paths there. Which one you like, you can switch. Big companies like Netflix, NASA, Google, and Meta, and there are a lot of companies who uses Python, and I don't think I have to tell much more about Python why you have to learn this, and I hope it's convinced you that why you should learn Python. Now let's proceed to set up Python environment. I would like to use the VS Code. So I use almost in any kind of programming language, I like to use the VS Code, but you can use any other software if you like, or any online compiler. In the next part of the video, you'll see how to install Python in VS Code. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to install Python and set it up with VS Code in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and search for Python download. Click on the official python.org website. And here you can see many types of Python versions here, Windows, Linux. So I will choose the Windows and download the Windows Installer 64-bit version. It will take a few minutes to download it. So to download VS Code, you can go to the official website of Visual Studio Code and download for the Windows version. I have already downloaded and installed it. It's very easy to do, so I won't show it here. And now let's see that our Python file is it downloaded or not. And yes, it's downloaded, so let's install it.
Okay, so here you have to very careful here. You must check the add python.exe2 path. So you have to check this box to run your Python code from anywhere in your PC from terminal, and then you can install it. The installations might take few minutes, and yes, it's done. And yes, we have successfully downloaded it. And let's verify does it downloaded or not. So you can go to your command prompt and write Python, and it will show the Python version. So it's downloaded properly in your computer. Now let's go to the VS Code and try to run a Python file. So we can create a Python file. We can give its name at new.py, and a simple code what we can write is like print hello world. Okay, and let's run it. Okay, and successfully done. One thing you must do here, that in the left corner there is an extension, and go there and search Python, and there are some extensions you can see. There is a Microsoft extensions like Python, Python debugger, and Pylance. You must need to install all these extensions to run properly. I have already installed all this in my VS Code. You have to just click the install button. It's very easy. You have to also install this code runner to run, and the Python snippets. It will help you to write your code. It makes the code writes very easy. Okay, so this was the video. I hope this video helps you, and support our channel and subscribe.